Today we have the 2015 BMW 3 Series. This vehicle has done just under 40,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors, navigation, smartphone integration, media, and radio. Just below, we have our dual zone climate control. And if we press our mode button, we can switch between Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. If we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.